Hola, Daddy-Os. We're going to cover some Dad-Sential tips. You might be asking yourself, what is Dad-Sential? What does that mean? Well, we don't know. But it means Dad-Sentials are things that every dad should know, such as how to grill a steak, how to install a trailer hitch on your truck, how to use tie-down straps, how to safely escape your wife and child for a couple of beers by yourself, how to stick your finger down your throat and make yourself gag, how to properly administer a figure 4 leg lock on your child, how to talk your way out of a speeding ticket, how to use power tools. So in today's Dad-Sential video, it's going to be a twofer. I'm going to teach you how to grill a steak perfectly, and also how to use grilling steak to escape the family for a little bit. Get outside, work on the grill, maybe throw back a few brewskis. Takes about 30 minutes. Time to relax from the family. Step 1, pull steaks out of the fridge. Let them rest for about 30 minutes so they come up to room temperature. At this point is a great opportunity to come outside and have your first beer while the steaks warm up. Easy escape time. Step 2, get this thing piping hot. Step 3, scrape. So everyone has their own way of grilling steaks. I'm not saying my way is the best way or the only way, the right way. It's just the easy way. I sear them on each side, 2 minutes on each side. I actually do 1 minute, turn it so I get nice grill marks, another minute, and then I flip it 1 minute, 1 minute. And then I move it to the side of the gas grill without a burner on, and I cook it on indirect heat. I get the grill up to about 500 degrees, and I put a meat thermometer in there. One of these guys. It has a nice plug like that. Stick that in there. You can watch the temperature of the internal temp of the meat rise. When it gets to about 130, I pull it off and you have perfect steaks every time. Super simple. So I'll show you my steps. Timer went off. Time to rotate just a little bit. Now that the steaks are on the grill, you gotta stay outside and monitor them. Perfect timing for beers 2 and 3. Pro dad tip. Keep a miniature cooler outside with you so that your wife doesn't see you going inside for more and more beers. That way you don't get in trouble. Timer went off again. Time to rotate to the other side. Oh my God. Looks like I've done this before. Now that the steaks are done, you gotta move them to indirect heat. So I have the right side of the grill not turned on, so I move them over there. Plug this bad boy in there. And we just wait for it to get to 130. Hard to see. Maybe you can see it on here, but so the internal temp of the steak after searing it was like 115. Steaks are done. I let them rest inside for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to cut them up and see how they look. All right, so I just cut it up onto strips, like so. And now you got to dry it up, of course. Pretty good. It's London broil, so it's not the best cut of steak, but it's cheap. And I pack a lot of it for my lunches, so. Dad-Sential video.